So this video is going to be another net worth update. On my last update, which was number 17, I had a net worth of around $18,200. October was a month of ups and downs, I'm not gonna lie. There were cases in which I thought that my balance was gonna go lower below my previous months, but I'm happy to report that it did not. And I'm going to explain why later on. But before we begin, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dred, and I'm on a journey to make money, pay off debt, and build wealth. If you're on the same path as me, or if you just like to learn more about making money online or side hustles, then you've come to the right place. Make sure to follow all my socials, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I release new content. Now with that out of the way, let's get back to the main video. So here we are on my Google spreadsheets, and by the way, all numbers here have been logged in as of October 31 at 5 p.m. just like always. Now anyway, let's go over to our checkings account right here. Checkings number one, we have $406.36, and then here we have Ed Financial refund $11,620.23 for a total checkings amount of $12,026.59. I know it's actually a big difference compared to last month. I'm going to explain why later on. Anyway, let's move over to my savings account right here. We have $7,595.10 for my Yoda savings account. So if you look closely over here, the numbers for October for Wells Fargo specifically is actually looking pretty good. I was very skeptical that it would actually grow for the month of October because I have been spending left and right. For the very first week of October, we went to Universal Studios and we had lunch there. And as you would expect, going to these theme parks, amusement parks, you would actually spend money, you know, maybe for souvenirs or for some food, and we had to actually buy some food there. Even though we had packed lunch or packed food, we still had to spend. Now October is also a month of celebrations because it included my birthday and my mom's birthday. So with that in mind, I had to spend some money for my food, and then I had to send some money as well, or birthday cash, to my mom. Now the biggest surprise for October is my Ed Financial. Right over here, as you can see, it's at $11,620. Now I received this refund around the second week of October, and I was very happy when I got it, but then I was also kind of like surprised because when Ed Financial gave it to me, they gave me a stack of paper checks. More than 60 paper checks were sent to me in the mail. All my student loan payments were actually made electronically, but they still gave me paper checks for each transaction that I made since March of 2022. Now I'm not gonna lie though, seeing that stack of check actually made me feel really great. Now I plan to put this in one of my savings accounts, more specifically my Ally savings account. I'd rather not keep stacks of paper checks in my bedroom. I actually thought about putting it in my Wells Fargo account, but I believe that it was too close to me. I didn't want to see the money very close to me so that I won't be tempted to actually spend it. Now, as for my savings, as you can see right here, $7,595.10. That's up by at least $500. It's now my standard contribution monthly, around $500. Now, I've already allocated the $500 in my different buckets. $75 of that went to my student loan payment bucket. Now that has been fully funded to around $575, and then the remaining $425 was put into my car fund. Now my car fund, I still have a long way to go. I have a goal of around $5,000, but I'm really happy that I've started to make progress in it. So that pretty much covers my checkings and savings. Let's move over to my stock investments right here, all my investments really. So for the first one right here, TD Ameritrade at $2,779.40, and then we have Webull here, $9,021.44, and then Public $69.30. My entire stock market portfolio is now at $11,870.14. Let's take a look at cryptocurrency right here. First is Coinbase at $78.49. We got Qcoin $675.45, and then we have wallets right here, $60.14. And then lastly, we still have here Cake DeFi, $152.81 for a total cryptocurrency investment of around $1,027.03, or a total investment of $12,897.17. Now for my stocks, it's been a very surprising month. I wasn't really expecting that it would actually go up. I haven't checked them at all since last month, and when I actually look back, it has grown since then. If we actually go back and scroll here, as you can see, on September it's 7,800, but now on October it's 9,000. So that basically grew by around $1,160 at least. So it's quite a big jump. I was really on an understanding that we would experience some sort of recession and that my account would actually devalue further, but the opposite happened here instead. But even so, I'm not going to be very enthusiastic about this one. We really never know what's going to happen next in the market. I'm not really focused on growing my stock value anyway. I'm more about increasing my dividends every month. So that's that for my stock market portfolio. Let's go over to my cryptocurrency. It's at $1,000. I haven't really touched this at all. I don't even pay attention to this right now. But anyway, let's take a look at my total assets, as you can see right here, for October, it's at $32,518.86. That's an increase of $13,700.89, or a 72.81% increase. So that is it for my assets for the month of October. Let's take a look at my liabilities. So let's scroll over here. And then there you go. I got consumer debt here. Credit cards discovered at $6.41. And then finally, we got Ed Financial here at the bottom, $12,144.14. And as you can see here, I actually made a comment here saying that it's a reinstated balance. So I'm gonna talk about that one. I'm just gonna briefly talk about my credit cards, $6.41 there. It's a very small amount. I've been paying it relentlessly, you know, always whenever the transaction has been posted, I would just pay it off right away. So that's that. Now, as for my student loans, I got a refund of, let's actually go back over here, $11,620.23. So it makes sense that I would actually put that money back in, or like the amount actually in my calculation here for my student loan. So that's why you see here that it has jumped. If you add $11,620 to $523.91, that we would actually equate to this one. So I had to reinstate that one, and it's pretty much the same in my student loan account as well. It's like this, you know, it's kind of like weird to do the math right now because it actually went back up. It's just how it is. Many student loan borrowers like me are waiting for confirmation to actually proceed with the cancellation. Unfortunately, there is a delay right now because an injunction was filed in the Federal Appeals Court. And because of that, the administration is actually blocked, or they basically paused everything. Aside from, you know, taking in applications, everyone can still, or anyone who want to actually apply for this forgiveness can still apply. The only problem is the administration is not going to forgive any loans as of the moment. And with this happening, time will tell if the forgiveness will actually happen or not. Anyway, that's that. Let's take a look at my total liabilities for October. Let's scroll down over here. As you can see, it's at $12,150.55. It increased by $11,584.73. Sheesh, that's like 2,047.42% increase. It's a crazy increase if you actually look and compare it to the month of September. 500 only, but now it's at 12,000. So anyway, without further ado, let's move over to my net worth for the month of October. So let's scroll down over here, and there you go. October is at $20,368.31, or an increase of $2,116.16, or an 11.59% increase. And there you go, that is my new net worth at the end of October, almost $20,000. It's pretty amazing, I'm not gonna lie. I'm very happy that I'm actually back to that level of 20,000. From here, I do hope that, you know, all my values or my market accounts or investment accounts would actually start going up so that it would stay above $20,000. But you know what? I'm just, you know, it's wishful thinking at this point, really. But anyway, let's talk about the two elephants in the room here. Now, first is that my assets made a huge jump compared to last month's number. And if you paid attention to my numbers, then you'll know who to credit for with this increase. My Ed Financial refund, as I had said earlier, I am planning to stash it to one of my Ally savings accounts so that it stays liquid and it's out of my eyesight. And the good thing about putting it in one of my savings account is that it's actually earning interest while it's waiting to be used. Now, the second elephant in the room here is that my liabilities made a huge jump, 2,000%, basically more than 2,000% in just 1 month. Figuratively, it actually looks very horrible to look at, to go from $500 in debt to actually go $12,000. It's pretty crazy. But then again, it's all part of the plan, so it's going to stay like that for a while. Now, I do hope that for my student loans, November will give some good news. Even a December timeline for that block to pass will be a godsend and such a great Christmas gift. Now, like always, I'll focus on building my agency and building my streams of passive income. And recently, I even shared my 4 months worth of results after monetizing my articles and Medium. So if you want to check that video out, link is in the description below, or maybe even in this card right over here. That's basically another semi-passive income stream that I'm going to build for the remainder of 2022 and maybe even coming into 2023. And that is all I gotta say. Thank you so much for watching my net worth update video. If you have any questions regarding my numbers, or if you want to just ask me any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like content just like this one, or you just want to follow along the journey, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, like and share this video. And then if you are on Instagram, please add me there at @DailyDread as a friend so that we can chat, collaborate, and maybe even exchange some ideas. Thank you again so much for watching. Have an awesome and wonderful day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.